How to cure gingivitis. Gingivitis is a common form of periodontal disease that causes the gums to become inflamed, irritated and red. If it isn't treated promptly, it can lead to more serious gum diseases, so it's important to act right away if you notice the symptoms. Read on for brushing and flossing habits that cure gingivitis, as well as tips on what you can do to prevent it from returning. Easy gingivitis treatments. Brush your teeth twice a day. Gingivitis is caused by the buildup of plaque, an invisible sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth after eating sugars and starches. When the plaque sits on your teeth long enough, it hardens into tartar, because the minerals in the saliva stick to the plaque and form a rocky deposit. These substances irritate the gingiva, the part of the gum at the base of your teeth, and produce bone resorption, exposing the root of your teeth. You can prevent plaque from building up by brushing it away at least twice a day, and brushing regularly is the first step to curing existing gingivitis. Use a soft bristled toothbrush, and replace it every 2 to 3 months. It is possible that electric toothbrushes are more effective at removing plaque and tartar, so you could consider using one instead of a regular toothbrush, too. Don't go to bed without brushing your teeth. Particles from the food you ate during the day are sure to stick to your teeth, and letting plaque form on your teeth and sit there overnight will irritate your gums even more. 3. Brushing before going to bed is the most important activity that keeps your teeth healthy and reduces bacteria in your mouth. Brush the right way. Spend at least 2 to 3 minutes brushing your teeth. Focus especially on the parts of your gums that are irritated, since that's where the bacteria has built up. Brush in a circular motion, which removes plaque better than brushing from side to side. Don't let irritation, pain or bleeding stop you from brushing your teeth. Neglecting them will only make things worse. If you brush using the proper technique at least twice a day, the gingivitis should start clearing up in a week or so. Floss once a day. Brushing doesn't reach the area of your gums between your teeth, which is one of the easiest spots for bacteria to start collecting. To cure gingivitis, it's necessary to floss every day. Use a waxed piece of floss or handled flossers to get the job done. Floss the right way. Make sure you use the proper flossing technique. Pull the floss up to your gum, then use a scraping motion to remove the bacteria from the area before pulling the floss back out. Use different parts of the floss for each gap in your teeth. Your gums may bleed excessively if it has been a while since you've flossed. Keep flossing every day, and within a week or two they will heal and stop bleeding every time. Use mouthwash. Antiseptic mouthwash removes bacteria from the tiny crevices that can't be reached with a toothbrush or floss. Choose a sugar-free mouthwash and rinse for at least 30 seconds at least once a day, after brushing and flossing. Gargling the mouthwash can help clear bacteria out of the back of your mouth and throat. Drink more water. Drinking water frequently throughout the day gives your teeth a rinse and helps prevent the buildup of plaque. Try to get 8 glasses of water a day for the best results. Staying hydrated helps saliva generate a protective coating for your teeth. Carry a water bottle with you during the day and refill it often to make sure you're getting enough water. Replace sugary drinks, coffee, tea, and alcohol with water as often as possible. The drinking water in most cities and townships in the U.S. is fluoridated, which helps strengthen tooth enamel. Avoid drinking bottled water to ensure you are getting plenty of fluoride. However, you should check with the local authorities and see exactly how much fluoride is in the water. Too much fluoride can be toxic and can even cause cancer.